In the dynamic world of project management, efficiency and organization are paramount. Teams constantly seek tools that not only help track tasks and deadlines, but also simplify the initial stages of project intake and information gathering. If you're exploring Wrike as a potential solution or are already a user wondering about its capabilities, a crucial question likely crosses your mind. Does Wrike have forms? The short and straightforward answer is a resounding yes. Wrike offers a robust and versatile form feature designed to streamline how you collect information, initiate projects, and manage requests. These forms are not just basic data entry fields. They are powerful tools that can significantly enhance your team's productivity and ensure a smoother workflow from the very beginning. Let's delve deeper into Wrike's form functionality and explore how it can be a game changer for your project management endeavors. What are Wrike forms and why are they important? At its core, a Wrike form is a customizable questionnaire that you can create within the platform. These forms can include various types of fields, such as text boxes, drop-down menus, multiple choice options, date pickers, and file upload areas. The purpose of these forms is to standardize the process of collecting essential information needed to kick off a task, project, or any other type of work within Wrike. Think about the common scenarios in project management where information gathering is crucial. Project requests. When stakeholders or team members want to initiate a new project, a form can capture vital details like project goals, scope, required resources, and deadlines. Task assignments. For recurring tasks or specific types of requests, e.g., design briefs, content requests, a form can ensure all necessary information is provided upfront, reducing back-and-forth communication. Issue reporting. When team members encounter bugs or issues, a structured form can help them provide all the relevant details for efficient troubleshooting and resolution. Feedback collection. Gathering feedback on completed tasks or project deliverables becomes easier with dedicated forms. The beauty of Wrike forms lies in their ability to centralize this information gathering process. Instead of relying on scattered emails, lengthy meetings, or informal chats, you can direct everyone to a dedicated form. This standardization offers several key benefits. Consistency. Forms ensure that you collect the same essential information every time, making it easier to compare requests and plan effectively. Efficiency. By capturing all necessary details up front, you minimize the need for follow-up questions and delays in starting work. Clarity. Well-designed forms guide users to provide clear and concise information, reducing ambiguity and misunderstandings. Organization. Information submitted through forms can be automatically routed to specific projects, folders, or team members within Wrike, keeping everything organized from the start. Data accuracy. Using drop-downs, multiple choice options, and required fields helps to minimize errors and ensure data accuracy. Key features and functionality of Wrike forms. Wrike's form builder is intuitive and user-friendly, allowing you to create sophisticated forms without requiring any coding knowledge. Here are some of the key features you can leverage. Drag-and-drop interface. Easily add, arrange, and customize various field types using a simple drag-and-drop interface. Customizable fields. Choose from a wide range of field types to capture different kinds of information, including short text, long text, numbers, dates, drop-downs, single selection, multiple selection, file uploads, and even formulas for dynamic calculations. Conditional logic. This powerful feature allows you to show or hide specific fields based on the answers provided to previous questions. For example, if a user selects urgent for a priority question, additional fields related to the urgency can appear. This makes your forms more dynamic and relevant. Required fields. Mark essential fields as mandatory to ensure that users provide critical information before submitting the form. Custom branding. You can often customize the appearance of your forms with your company logo and colors to maintain brand consistency. Integration with Wrike workflow. The information submitted through a form can automatically trigger actions within Wrike, such as creating new tasks or projects, assigning them to specific team members, and setting due dates. Sharing options. Wrike forms can be shared via a public link, embedded on your website, or accessed directly within the Wrike platform. This makes it easy for both internal and external stakeholders to submit requests. Automatic task/project creation. One of the most significant advantages is the ability to automatically create tasks or projects in Wrike based on form submissions. You can map the form fields to specific task or project attributes, ensuring that all the submitted information is directly integrated into your workflow. Customizable notifications. Set up notifications to alert relevant team members whenever a new form is submitted.